Hi, so I have this interesting problem on the board. We have x plus y equals 9, x squared plus y squared equals 9, and we're asked to solve for x cubed plus y cubed. And keep in mind, we don't necessarily need to solve for x and y independently. And you may be tempted to just fill in a 9 right here, but unfortunately that's not going to work. But it does seem like a pattern, so we'll actually have to do some work to solve this. So to start with, what I'm going to do is I'll take my first equation and I'm going to square it. So we have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy equals 81. Unfortunately, we already know this piece from our second equation is this is just 9. So what we can do is subtract a 9 from both sides, and then we're going to have 2xy equals 72. But then just dividing a 2, we end up with xy equals 36. So hopefully that's going to be useful in the next step, because usually the xy is a critical piece, I guess you'd say. So then we have some more information, but now we want to get to this. So we're going to use the sum of cubes formula. If you're not familiar, it is x cubed plus y cubed. We can write it as essentially like factoring out an x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared. And then we'll work with this and we'll bring it down to the bottom. So for x cubed plus, I should just write it down here. So for the x plus y piece, here we have 9. Then what we'll do, we'll take this and move it around a little bit. We'll just bring this together if you can't see it. So then we know this value and we know this value. We found this here, and we have x squared plus y squared as our second equation. So then let's just keep going and fill in the blank. So we have our 9, we have our x squared plus y squared is 9, minus xy is 36. This is just going to be a minus 27, I believe. And then so we end up with 9 times minus 27. And rather than multiply, I'm going to do a little trick. Well, you might not think this is a trick, but we'll just do it anyway. I'm going to write 9 as 3 squared. And we'll write this as 3 cubed. And so that's going to be minus 3 to the 5th. And so that's going to be our final answer is minus 243. 3 to the 5th is 243.